Yes students, in next query is to increase the price of all item by 1000 in the table item. Okay, so now we will increase the price of all item by thousands. So look at here, we will first see there our previous records. So our records, we have select asterisk from item, okay, without updation. So our price is this time is 57,000, 55,000, 35,000, 32,000, 37,000. Now we will perform this query to increase the price of all items. Clear? So how we can increase the price by 1000? So that query we want to perform permanently, means record will be changed permanently. So we will use our DML command, because this query is related to data manipulation. So we will manipulating our records. So the query we will use update. Clear? Update, which table you want to update? We want to update item. Clear? And set, what you want to set? You want to set the price equal. So we want to update the price plus 1000. Clear? Okay, there is no any condition, means we want to update the all price record. So simple, we will write there set price equal price plus 1000. So what happened? All price will be updated by 1000. So simple, enter it. There is a query is given, query okay, 5 row affected. Clear? So now we will see the updated table. Select asterisk from item. Clear? So our record has been updated by 1000. Look at here, there is 57,000, but after updations it's become 58,000. So our all record has been updated. Now our next query, number 6, is select distinct city from customer. Actually this is a query, and by this query you will only find the output. So there I am performing the operation, but you will find the output without helping of system. Clear? So I am performing there. The query is select distinct city from customer. Clear? So this is our query. So we will perform the into the customer table, not into the item table. So distinct city, we want to only see the distinct city, means different city. So this will be the output. So you will first find the output yourself, then after you will check by the queries. Clear? So first you perform operation and find the output yourself, then after you perform query in your system and check your output. So this process you will do into this type of queries. Clear about it? So now our next query is select item name, maximum price, count from item, group by item name. Clear? So this is also a queries. Clear? Already given, we will only type there. So simple, you will write this select. Okay, but before students we want to check our 6 number of queries. So it is actually executing the distinct record or not. So once again we check it. Clear? So our all record, select asterisk from customer. Okay, so look at here. So this query only for the comparison purpose, ki it is executing right record or not. So look at here, there is some repeating record, Delhi, Delhi, Delhi. Okay, three times is appearing there. Delhi, Mumbai one time, Bangalore one time. So, but by this query, it is only executing distinct record. Distinct records, what is the meaning of distinct? Means no repeated value will be executed. Clear? With the help of distinct, we can only execute the unique record from our table. So this keyword is very helpful for you. Clear about it? So, okay, now we will perform our next query. So we will simply write there our query. So our query is select item name, comma, maximum price, and this. Okay. So write first select item name, comma, max price, means it will execute the maximum price from the list, and count, it is count the record, total number of records, how many records are there, from which table, from item. But there is also we are performing group by clause, so we will write there group by item name. According to the item name, it will execute the maximum price and total number of items, clear, from item table. Okay, look, there is some error from, okay, and then enter. So look at here, this is our output. This output you will write first. Clear about it? So you will write first, and after write the answers, you will check this according to this type. Clear? So look at here, it is executing laptop, its maximum price is 58,000 and total item 2. Okay, and personal computer, in personal computer, one computer is maximum price is 38,000 and total number of personal computer are there 3. Okay, so once we can also check by the item table. So look at here, you can check that there is, okay. So how many personal computer? 1 2 3. So it is executing 3 personal computer. Laptop, how many laptop? Only 2 laptops are there, so it is executing 2. Maximum price, in a laptop maximum price, which one is maximum price? Okay, this computer, this laptop have maximum price 58,000, so it is executing the 58,000 maximum price in a personal computer between 3. So in a personal computer maximum price is 38,000, so it is executing the 38,000. So from this record you will write the output. Clear? Not by the system, you will perform yourself. Okay, now we will find the output of next and last query is, now we will type there select customer name, comma, manufacturer. Okay, select customer name, manufacturer, from which table? From item table, comma, customer. Okay, customer. Okay, from both table we are accessing records, so there is a, this query is a type of join. Clear? And there one mandatory operation we have to use. Clear? This is the corresponding matching. Clear? So corresponding matching we will perform into the ID. So this query we will write there where item dot item ID, clear, equal customer dot CID, you can write there C underscore ID. Both should be equal and then enter. Okay, there is one mistake. Item ID not is there. IID, sorry students, we will write there IID. Okay, IID, we will write there IID, not item ID. There is IID, so we will write there IID and then enter. Okay, empty set means this type, such type of record is not available, so that's why is there is a empty set, means no matching. Clear. Customer name and manufacturer. Manufacturer, look at here, this is the manufacturer. Both are customer name. This is the customer name and manufacturer is there, so no matching with this, so that's why there is no any record, no any matching. Clear about it? So that's why is no any records, so that will you will perform into your computer system. Clear about it? Okay, thank you. Jai Gurudev.